I'm Lionel Mesnage, and I work as a private consultant in crop production, mainly across the Côte-de-Marne department in Brittany, northern France. I am taking action in particular on the subject of tillage conservation, especially with the aim of developing the majority of people from tillage to non-tillage of soil. Non-tillage of soil involves calling into question agricultural equipment, and at the same time, it allows us to address the notion of engine needs, so diesel consumption, which leads us to talk about those methods which can improve consumption, one of which is XBEE. So why am I talking about XBEE? It's actually very simple. In other words, there's the issue of the environment, which means pollution and, especially for farmers, the consumption of fossil fuels. And what I was really pleased with the XBEE technology is that it's basically made up of a natural enzyme. I didn't want a chemical product which could have potentially been corrosive for the engines, whether that means in terms of the valves or the piston rods.
Bonjour, Jean-Paul Rall.
Hello, I'm Jean-Paul Rall. I'm a farm operator and pig breeder in Côte-de-Marne, and I've used simplified cultivation techniques across a 70-hectare site for more or less 25 years. Since I've been using XBEE, we've seen a better engine output, less fuel consumption, we've not needed to change the filters as often, and the fumes are very minor, even when it's a machine with a tow. We can highly recommend it. During the initial tests that I carried out, we reduced fuel consumption by 8 to 10%. Therefore, with the cost of fuel being what it is today, and even if it was considerably cheaper when I started out, it could only have been worthwhile. XBEE is not a cost, it's an investment. In other words, if you have an investment, you get a return on that investment, and the investment cost is easily offset.
XBEE enzyme fuel technology.